Hot one chicken. Hot one chicken. Hot one chicken. Chinese food. Hot one chicken. Hot one chicken. Hot one chicken. Chinese food. Faux. 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 Sorry, we will be open May 6th. Sorry, we will be open May 6th for Vietnamese menu. Sorry, we will be open. Sorry, we will be open. Sorry, sorry, I apologize from the bottom of my heart, but we are going to open. Okay? Because otherwise, right? No one wants that. Right? That can't be good, the hot and spicy. Food for $1, right? Something wrong with that. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong.